We're going to start with the British people eating chicken. This is how they eat it, okay? How Nigerians eat their chicken. We grab the chicken properly, hold it tight so you don't fall down. So guys, this is how Indonesians go. They go, halo semuanya, hari ini aku punya makan ayam. It means today I'm going to be eating chicken. Now for Indians, it's special. Okay, today I'll show you how I eat my chicken. So Ghanaians go, Shae, this chicken is very big, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy again, Shae, the one and only guys, and we are back here again today guys, okay? Hi dosto, main Shae hun ora mere jasa koi bine hi hai. Namaste. Hello semuanya, nama saya Shae satunya. Guys, I'm the one and the only. So guys, today, yummy. I can't resist this chicken, guys. Anyway guys, so today I'm going to show you how different people from different countries eat their chicken. Okay, first of all, we're going to start with the British people. We're going to start with London boys. Okay, so if you ever see a London boy eating chicken, this is how they eat it, okay? Without further ado guys, let's go straight to action. Let's dig in. But before we start this video guys, smash like, subscribe, give me some love. Let's go guys, smash like. Let's get this started here. First of all, make sure your hands are clean. They grab the chicken. This is tasty, mate. I love my chicken, mate. Nice, juicy. That's it, mate. I had it all. Delicious. And that's it, done. What? Yo, every time I see it, I'm like, why are you wasting the chicken? Look, that's it. They're done. They've ate it all. They're like, it's finished. This is for the dog. This is an absolute waste of chicken. Come on. Okay, without further ado guys, let's go straight to how Ghanaians eat their chicken. Okay, these are Ghana people from Ghana. Let's do this. So Ghanaians go, Shae, this chicken is very big, oh. It looks very nice and delicious. Okay, let's chop the chicken. And they go like this. Ghana chicken is the best. I need some water or some juice. And go, Shae, where is the shito? I'm missing shito. There you go. Wow, there's so much chicken still left though. See that guys? Finished, right? No. The bone still has oil. They clean every fiber, every flesh. Okay. This is how they eat it. They eat it so clean, yeah? So clean. You're gonna see it looks like they clean it with a fine toothbrush. So clean. Look. So guys, this is how Indonesians go. They go, halo semuanya, hari ini aku punya makan ayam. It means today I'm gonna be eating chicken. So they grab chicken properly. Okay? They hold it tight. They go like this. Mmm. Mmm. That's it, one time. Just in, out, boom, chicken finish.
You just like hold it from here.
Oh,
like, yeah, just like.
Whoa!
That was impressive.
Really?
Now we're getting to the interesting part. How Nigerians eat their chicken. Guys, remember I'm Nigerian, okay? This is how my people eat their chicken. Today I am going to eat my chicken, okay? So guys, this is how we eat chicken in my country. We grab a chicken properly, hold it tight so it don't fall down, and we pray over it, and then we eat it. Mmm. Mmm. Mommy,
will you keep quiet?
your chicken is very delicious, so. Mommy,
Will you keep quiet?
you are the best. Mm. Mm. Finished, yeah? There go. Mm. I need calcium and phosphorus from the chicken. You see? Finish, yeah? Wrong. There go. My chicken's not finished though. I need to enjoy it. Amazing. So guys, finally done, yeah? Wrong again. I can feel my teeth getting stronger. Yes, I can feel my bones getting stronger already. Now for Indians, it's special. They go, hi Toto, namaste, namaste, namaskar. Okay, today I'll show you how I eat my chicken. It's very easy and very simplistic. You just grab a chicken and go. So there you have it, guys. How different people. Okay guys, about India, I was just joking. Indians eat their chicken similar to Ghanaians. Okay guys, similar to Ghanaians. So don't take this personal. It was just a joke. British people standard, they eat their chicken just like this. Ghanaian standard, they eat it just like this, clean up everything. Yeah, it looks like a fossil. Then Indonesians, they put the whole thing in the mouth one time, boom, it's out. Nigerians, this is how they eat their chicken. Nothing left. Indians, it's similar to Ghanaians as well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been your boy Shady, Shae, the one and only. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Also smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, give me some love. Alright guys, it's a peace out. Wow, but yeah, these chickens were nice too. Yeah man.
Oh, I love you more than words can say. You are me. Oh, you are the light that shine in my way. You are me. Oh, I love you more than words can say. You are me. Oh, you are the light that shine in my way.